Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing and review of Wing Defensor. Not just one, but two Wing Defensors. One I'll be leaving in packaging, for this one at least. One I'll be opening. So yeah. But these were really cheap for me. And the tools for this will be surprising for some of you guys that I don't know that I do model kits. So I have stuff like this. So yeah. Tweezers. The screwdriver piece. And clippers from my model kits. If you can't tell, model kits. And of course, from Bandai. But yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Okay. Haven't done one of these in a long time. A classic unboxing. So yeah, comes in this. Oh, this is all it comes in. This is all it comes in, big time. So some of you guys won't know I love doing stuff like this. Got these for real cheap. Link in the description below. Cause at first I thought I got scammed. I'm not gonna say it, but I thought I didn't get it in. But I looked and it said it got here on the 5th. And today's the 6th. Oh, so yesterday so I was out there all night. I think, or it came in here later. Yeah, I didn't see, so yeah. Here's the stickers. I'll probably use this one right here. So yeah, a little extra bit chip sticker. Very basic one at that. So yeah. Really, here, come on. And let me show you the instructions. The grip. It looks like Spin Dragoon. That's not how I do it. Oh shit. So, let me actually use this one. Okay, now it actually has one. So I usually choke up on mine. Like this. But it says not to do that on here, but that's... It should go like that. But that's uncomfortable as hell. But yeah, I will be launching this on a classic stadium. And then the instruction booklet. How to put it together. Stickers. It's pretty basic. Bit chip protector on it. There's a bit chip, brand new. I probably will be using this on one of my new my jigger. And since my jigger one is broken or cracked, so yeah, let's have a new one. Launch or ripcord. Doesn't come with a ripcord. It's a booster. Yeah, seriously. Okay, why is that so fucking annoying? No, but yeah, this high pitch. I was messing with that with the attacker one. Have a TT one. Yeah. Okay, there we go. There's the heavy disc. Okay. I'll only do this for a little bit. Okay, there we go. I will trim these off a little closer edge to them. I'll say do this if you're new. So I want to make this look real good. I wasn't expecting to get this video out today. But yeah. Okay, there we go. And by the way, this is a number, let's see, 31 in the line. It seems like, yeah. Really can't wait to see what this guy can do. As a kid, I didn't do this, but now as an adult, I'm definitely doing stuff like this. Okay, that one's good. And there we go. Now keep this. Let me get the screw. Let me put on the stickers and be right back with you guys. Okay, so sorry about that. There we go. But yeah, there's the final product. It looks really good. That crease got a little messed up, but yeah. Turned out real good. I love this thing already. Just remaking one of these guys already. It's like, look how tiny this thing is. This is my hand. Compare. Whoops, I'm spinning all over the camera. But yeah, this thing is so tiny. I have average size hands. And this thing is so tiny. Actually, here we go. That's a TT bay with another TT bay. So yeah, that's saying something. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.